Okay, Brohsters, just a little bit heads up before we start this video. I am doing something new. I'm using panning and zooming because for some reason the recording was weird. It was like a little bit zoomed in, so it was hard for you to see, guys. I tried with zooming in and such while on the points where we're doing stuff. So leave a comment about how you feel like that was, if it was okay or if it was very bad. Enjoy the video. Hello there, Brohsters. This is the Broman, and today we are going back to some Bukkit plugin coding tutorials. This specific tutorial will be building more on our auto broadcaster. It is requested by you guys, well, one of you, and we are going to, as you maybe have read in the title, use color codes in our configs. So to do that, it's very simple. First of all, let's jump into our config.yml. And you see here we have like %p inside, and if you just like go over to Eclipse again and we look over into player interaction, it will, if you take a look here, it will then replace player name with, %p with player name. So simply to make color codes, what we do is, for example, if we take this to red and then this to blue, green, %green, G like that, and then %yellow. Then we save this and we go on into our auto broadcast here, and after toString here we take %.replace, just give it there, and then we want to replace %r with chat color.red plus, and then just like that, nothing in there. The reason we have to do this is because you can't just do like this. As far as I've tested it and experienced, you need to have this plus and then to speak a string with nothing in it, basically. Then dot replace what was it again? Blue, and then chat color dot blue plus this string, and then dot replace %g for green, chat color dot green plus, and then open there, dot replace %y chat color dot yellow plus, and then open like string like that. The reason why we have to put it all like this is because you can't now basically what we will do is that we will replace all of these respectively. So we can, for example, say if we put %blue in there as well, that will make it so it's like says red hello and then blue there. So I'll save that, Eclipse, save everything, press on YouTube, F5 to refresh it, or you can just right click and then refresh, export to our proper thingy here. Let me just make sure that I delete, before I do this, that I delete the old folder. Let's see, desktop. Where's my, there we go, and then sir, okay, you're not able to find sir, there you go. Minecraft 1.8, YouTube server plugins, and then delete this YouTube folder, and then finish, yes, to overwrite, reload, main Java 66. Okay. So it finds a null pointer expression. Let me just look what's missing. I can't actually see the problem. Is it because we have so many of them? This was actually working earlier today, you see. And why can't I? Like just now. Okay, so if you remove this in front of here, I'm just experimenting. If you remove these in front of here and put them, for example, there, blue, green, save, delete, update, export, next, finish, yes, and then let's reload. Okay, there it works, as you can see, if you just join here. So apparently, when you have it in the start of a string, it's not working. Hello. Oh my god, this was laggy. Oh yeah, this was like the create, wasn't it? Okay, so the green one isn't working. %G, %G. Oh no! Oh, percent. I fell there a little bit. Oh, save that. YouTube. Delete. Update, export. Next, finish. Yes. Reload. As you can see, now it like changes the color, but apparently you can't do it in the first of a sentence. I'm not quite sure why that is. Maybe if we do like, okay, let's try something else. What if we do hashtag green? I mean, if you change them to hashtags, so hashtag R, hashtag blue, hashtag G, yeah, green, hashtag yellow, and then we remove these. Oh. How dare you do this to me? Yeah, save, and then we change these to hashtags as well. I'm not sure if this is going to work, but it's worth a shot. I'm going to figure out how you guys can do this without having any errors. So just bear with me. And then we have to delete the YouTube folder. I mean, you don't have to delete the whole folder. You only need to delete like the config, but like, you know, I only have the config in my folder, so I can just delete the whole folder. Okay, reload. Nope. Null pointer expression on 66, so this is here. Okay. So apparently, let's see. Replaces each substring of this string that matches the literal target sequence with specified replacement sequence. The replacement proceeds from the beginning of the string to run. For example, replacing AA with B in the string AAA will result in BA rather than A. Target. Let's see, just gonna run this. Return. Okay. I do not know why it's not working like that though. I really want to figure that out. What if it changes to color green, color blue, Egon, color red, color yellow? save that, and then we go to our config and then color red, color blue, color green, color yellow, and save that, delete that, update that, export, next, finish, yes, and then we reload, and it's working. Alright, so the reason why it wasn't working was because it wasn't like a letter, I think. It has to be a letter if you're going to use it in a start, so it will like respond, like, look at it as a string. How even was this one again? Oh yeah, it was like that. So yeah, as you can see, if you just reload again, hello there, you can now see it's like, it's working. Yep. As you can see, it's working fine now. So, at the end now, I will put up like how you do it and a little explanation. I can try to explain it now as well. The reason to why it wasn't working in the start when I was using the percent and a hashtag is because when you use that, I think Java doesn't recognize it as a string anymore. Therefore, it will not work unless you have like a word in front of it, and then we put it inside of the excuse me, and then they put it inside of the put the percent, and then the code you put inside of the string. But if you change it like I did now and use color green and such instead of percent and all that, then it works, because then it recognizes as a string and then it changes it, and yeah. So I think that was the trouble. So yeah, that's all I have to say about that. If there's anything else, guys, you want me to make a tutorial about in Bukkit, then feel free to leave a comment with it. Sorry for the lag, but my computer ain't the best, and I'm like running so much programs right now. So yeah, that will be everything. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in another video. Alright, so let me just try to explain this now when I'm like calmed down a little. The reason to why it didn't work when you had %p, for example, in the start of the string in the config, that is because it no longer recognizes the line there as a string, because it starts with a character of, I have no idea what it would be then, but it for some reason doesn't count it as a string, and will give you a null pointer exception. Also, the reason to why I'm also keeping in the parts where I'm failing in these videos, when what I think is right isn't right, even though I've tried it on before I record. That is because, well, we're about to get shut up, aren't we? I think we are, because it's, yeah. Oh, no, it's okay. Sorry about that. I get easily off track when I'm tired. But yeah, as I was going to say, the reason why I keep those parts in, that is because I learn a lot from it when I'm recording and I make mistakes, because then I will remember it, because I think, oh, this is awkward, because I'm trying to make a tutorial to help people learn Bukkit with something I myself don't know 100%. I mean, I know what to do, but it is lots of the time I do something wrong, and that's because I wouldn't say I'm scared, but I'm like a little bit anxious to make big mistakes when I'm recording it, even though I can just cut it out. But I keep it in there because my point is, even if you are watching tutorials on how to learn Bukkit, it won't help you much unless you actually try it yourself, use control space when you're looking at stuff to learn and then try out stuff. Because if you don't try it on your own and just stick to a tutorial, then you won't learn much. Well, not for everyone. Some people just need to watch one time and they know it perfectly. But like, for me, for example, and probably most people, it is best for you to try it yourself, do it practical, and learn from it. Learn from your mistakes. I definitely learn a lot from my mistakes when I'm doing videos and such. Also in this new video, I've spoken about it in the start, so I'm not going to mention it again about the panning and zooming. But yeah, that was everything from this video. Goodbye. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, you can subscribe for more videos and you can leave a like. It really helps me a lot. I really appreciate it. And you can also click on one of the 2 videos you see on the screen, and it will take you to either a previous video or a random video, depending on which one you choose. So, do you choose the red video?